Welcome back. Day 2. Again of the re-OSCP. We're back today with strutted Linux medium. So let's see what we can do with this. As always, I'm not. Port 80. We're going to move this to the other monitor, then we're going to open up Firefox. There we go. Strutted.htb. Strutted.htb. Now it's found. Ooh, and upload your image. Provide a Docker image that showcases the strutted environment. Click the download link on the menu to explore our Docker image to see how our platform is configured. Use it as a base template. Unzip strutted. Oh. Alright. Manager GUI. Yo, Gecko, what up, brother? Let's, Oh, it's Tomcat. So it's copying the local Tomcat users into here. Context. I'm almost pretty sure, Zibby. We're gonna find out. I'm almost certain I did though. Yes. And it only really happens when we're streaming. MVMW. Maven. Okay. Let's keep enumerating. We have strutted. Is strutted a software? Oop. Ah! Alright, well that just kind of gave it away. There is a CV for it. Manipulate file upload parameters. Right there. So what is Apache Strut then? Java Web Apps. Model view controller. Similar to PHP. Okay. So it's a framework. This has file upload. The CV is related to file uploads. Is this a valid endpoint? No. Oh, 8080. No? Okay. Port 999. Nope. All right. We could also just try to upload. And see what that shows, what that request looks like. Struts app, you can deploy it to Tomcat or any other servlet. You can reach the app on port. Cases where the app is deployed to Tomcat, since the exploitation path is to upload a war web shell. And we know we're in Tomcat because we have Tomcat users and we have our admin users. So is there another endpoint? Should we get rid of min rate? Let's do min rate 3000. Where did burp go? Here's burp. Oh, shite. This doesn't have, oh, it does have Foxy Proxy. Great. Local. Port 8080. Pin to toolbar. Local. Proxy. Intercept. Refresh. Beautiful. Okay. Now this is probably hard for y'all to see, so let's change font on these. Alright. So we want to upload a file. There's upload action. Right there. So if we can modify the POC to remove upload 1.0, that would line up. Oh shit, is burp still on? Let's send that to repeater and then close that. How does this exploit work? Alright. That's not that helpful. We'll just get clone it then. That's alright. So let's go back. There's No admin port. So let's go to exploit, pip install, attack our requirements. Okay, so let's do nano exploit. Do we give it the upload endpoint ourselves? We define that? Okay. That's easy enough then. So let's go here and let's do copy URL. Let's go Python 3 exploit.py. Tag URL. Bam. Not found.
Web shell already exists. What?
Well, how does this one work? Let's find out again. Get base URL, create war file. Upload parameter name, arbitrary.txt, application.txt plus file name. Okay, so you can upload create source file. Name of web shell war.
Yo, it's hello there. I used to watch you for like day 7, then I had to leave YouTube for some time. Oh, that's awesome. Welcome back then. We're going great. That's crazy. Day 7, that's over a year ago. Probably a year and a half? Wow.
Wow.
I hope you're doing well too. I appreciate you coming back. What is this saying?
File name a.txt. Apples.
Does it show you upload images?
Alright, well, I guess we can just see. Please select a file to upload. Fart.sh. Okay. So it looks like. I wonder if the vulnerability is that it's only doing an extension check, but then it's interpreting MIME type. So if we upload this, and fart.sh is our rev shell. If we do this to fart JPG, and we forward that, no, that didn't work. Okay, so let's just go to images, save image, strut.png, and then now let's upload that. Send that to repeater. Forward. Your image has been securely uploaded. Copy shareable link. Why? There's no link. What?
No inside joke, just random.
No jokes. Oh wait, that's the image. Copy image link. Oh. Uploads. So it could be a path traversal. What if we go back here? Right? There we go. Like that.
Yo, it's purple.
575 just followed.
Appreciate you, brother. Welcome.
Let's try this. Let's see if we can do directory traversal. Nope. Upload successful though. File name.
So there's the source. Uploads. And we want to go to auto scroll. Oh, it has a different application type as well when they're doing this. They're doing
Upload param name.
application octet
Stream. So we're changing the content type.
file name is
War location. Oh, where's war location? War location is this times number of parents in path minus 1. Arbitrary.txt.
error setting expression arbitrary text file name with values.
Oh.
So why did that not work? Webshell.war uploaded successfully. War file already exists. Webshell war uploaded successfully. Attempting a connection. And then it cancels out.
Let's do Apache struts CV. What is that? That's 2023. There's another one, 2024. Another file upload. Vulnerability. Struts 2.0 through 2.337 end of life.
Interesting. Oh, no, I see it's purple. I saw you, brother. Yes. Yeah. Thank you, Zimmy. No, I see you, brother. That's crazy. What brought you back then?
Day 7. That's crazy. Attackers can manipulate file upload parameters to enable patch reversal. See if there's a POC for that one. So if it's similar to the 2023, they're modifying these values, these parameters, to upload them probably to an executable directory is my thinking. Because the upload directory is probably not executable. So, if that's the case, then let's try this. The payload to test. Nope. If we get rid of that. Parameter name for payload. Parameter name.
Oh, shit. That's why.
Uploaded location gives status code of 200.
Payload.jsp.
Oh. That worked. Test file.txt. That worked. But why did... Then... This should work too. Webshell.jsp. Testing correct path. Oh, so it just keeps doing path traversal. Okay. So let's go back to the other POC because Rust is hard to read. Oh, files. Test.txt. Application octet stream. Why is that one now? Okay, what if we go back to download? Oh, that's for the fucking... Yeah, okay, we already have that. Let's just upload another file. Proxy, intercept, open, upload. Is there a CSRF? No. Struct.txt. So it's able to upload that, but not... Interesting, okay. Wait, uploaded the payload JSP. Cannot be displayed because it contains errors. What? Where's... POC? Oops. Exploit.
Text to speech, so you know we are saying something. Ooh, that's smart. Can I do that for... Restream chat? That one? TTS Twitch chat, okay. Do I have to have Twitch? Yeah, okay, I can talk to Brad then. Do I have to have Twitch open then? Okay, okay. Alright, what is this exploit? There's the JSP web shell.
If you are not using an old file upload logic based. Okay. This is a medium box, so there's a chance we're gonna have to tweak. Test.jsp. Or instead of payload, we just do test.txt. Get rid of 8080, and we're gonna be on strutted.htb. Status code 200. Shell.jsp. Okay. So then we do this, and then we do tac f. Web shell.jsp. So where is it? Why is it in Python if it's the local file? The top upload file name value. The local file to upload instead of the hard-coded file. File upload successfully. Is it using 2? Jesus Christ.
Yo, Oreo. What up, brother? It's been a minute. Good to see you. Are you still doing the payload construction and bypass? You okay, dude?
What's good?
Appreciate you. Welcome.
Yeah.
The default segment stores the file during the data file. Explain the vulnerability allows the threat actor to execute. We leverage a publicly available POC. The POC implements the name equals upload file name file with a random file name into the directory, which allows it to be accessible by the remote threat actor using HTTP request to the URL. Well, there's a check. And then we want to CV into that. CDS2. Python 3 check. TACU HTTP shredded.htb. Tac upload underscore endpoint is upload action. What? What? Or maybe the upload endpoint is uploads? Target does not appear vulnerable. Sending test request to upload endpoint. Oh. Do we have to maybe do another one? Strut.txt, strut.jpg. So there's that. How did the other one work then? Why is this not auto scrolling? Is it a whitelist? Let's find out if it's a whitelist. Or a blacklist. No, it's a whitelist. Application octet stream. Are you at another one? Oh, dude, get out of here. Man OS 2. Let's see. Upload multiple payload files using parameter overwrite. Okay. Is upload.action the right one? Yeah. So what is different about this? And why did that one work then? Oh, because what if we do this and then we rename it? And we do Control W payload.jsp. Payloads. That's working. Okay, so let's do this. Nano Etsy proxy chains. And we'll do 8080 HTTP. And so we'll try this and let's intercept the request on burp and see. Why does that not work? Proxy chains 4. Why would that not catch that?
Absolutely, yes, Nico. What up, brother?
Good to see you. Why? We want to intercept that. Uh. $80.80. All interfaces. Let's try that. Nope. That's really annoying. I want to see what that request looks like. Can we get a version number? What is different about this one then? Oh! Wait, because it only allows images, right? So these are trying to use text files? Yo, Rue. You work with this? Work with what? The music? Absolutely. I think we have to change the uploaded file demo to... this. that's what it's gonna end up being. Let's modify this to do arbitrary.jpg, and then strut.jpg, strut.jpg, strut.png. What is this? Strut.jpg. Strut.jpg, and the content type has to be image PNG. Image slash. Please ask me. Let's talk LA. Shredded PNG. So let's do this. Let's copy shredded PNG to here. And then let's nano exploit and let's point to that. So we'll do shredded.png. Uploads. But payload works. What if we do this one with it's returning successful because it's a 200. That's not the case though. Ugh. So proxy chains. Yeah. Four. Okay. Why does that work? But that did not work. Why? Oh. Upload is lowercase also. hold on. Wait a minute. So let's go back. Let's nano exploit. Yeah, upload. Why is upload uppercase then? Upload should not be. Upload is showing lowercase. So let's try this. Oh, wait. Proxy chains. Lowercase upload. Forward. Let's try that again because we do know the path it's going to, so we're going to push that to upload. It's going to be upload. Upload or uploads? Uploads. It goes up 1. Or wait, no, we only have to go up like that. Upload successful. So then we could go to uploads to webshell.war. Why is it pointing to the web shell directory? That's just not. The Go one worked really well, but we. How do we fucking. Test file.txt. That works really well. Is there like a verbose option for this? Test file name apples.jpg. Oh, struct PNG. Okay, so we'll go up a directory. And then instead of test file name, let's just go testing file. And then this will be shredded. .png. Tag test tag file tag name strut.png. That worked. Payload.jsp. It still thinks it's an image, that's why. Oh, it's working, but it thinks it's an image. Or if you just strut.txt. That worked. What the fuck? So strut.jsp does work. Okay, great. So then tac help tac payload tac file payload or web shell.jsp tac payload tac file tac name apples.jsp. That's working because it is an actual image. Is it the... So if we do this demo, let's proxy change this so we can watch it. Go just does not use that. But we should be able to hit demo.jsp now. That works. Oh, is it a magic byte header? And then what if we go uploads? Oh! What? That worked. That worked. Oh, fuck. But that worked. Demo JSP. Okay, so then what if we just do testing file as webshell.jsp demos. Nope. It's interpreting that as an image. Okay, so that did work. Yeah, Suka is balling. I'm really happy to see that he got that cert. That's so awesome. Demo P. .jsp. Demoed. How the hell did we get that one going then? That one worked. Does strut.jsp exist then? It does exist. So what if we do s.jsp? We're trying to figure out what in this code is going wrong. S.jsp exists, okay. Apples.jsp. That worked. An SA. That did not work now. Fuck. Testing file. Let's just do test file.txt. sam.jsp. Test file is in current directory. Oh. Okay, so that does work. Alright, so let's get back to... Do we have to rename it? Is that why? So we go SA. Fuck. Oh. Okay. So nano web shell, get parameters, CMD. GIF 87A. SA.war. Webshell.war. So let's go up another directory. We'll try a .war file. We already have that name, so that's not going to work. Let's call it war.war. That doesn't want to work now. But this does. What am I? Web shell.php. I think it's just the web shell is busted. PHP one-liner reverse shell. What if we do that? PHP web shell mini one-liner. There's one that I'm thinking of. Here we go. Let's see nano a.php. Nope, it doesn't like that one. hash file name apples a.jsp. Let's see if we can do this. Apples a.jsp. What in the fuck? Apache strut CVE file upload exploit POC GitHub. Wherever this is uploading the demo file to has the right. Yes, I am. I'm going to California in a few days, so next week I'll be off, but we are definitely back. Absolutely. Oh, proxy URL here. D2. There we go. Oh, because it's uploading as a GIF? Send that to repeater. No, that should work. Why is it getting that? That's working. Oh, does it rely on the header? we upload that as D50. Alright, let's just refresh everything. We lost dancing. Alright. Intercept. Right. So we have test file. We have demo 1. Dot. War. Right, so try that. Here's our first one. We submit this. Why does that not want to go in? Because it doesn't have the fucking... Yeah, okay. It needs that GIF header. So let's go demo 2. 2, 3, submit. This one then should work. Or would it show this? Yes.
Okay, so that works. That traversed.
Oh! Will we go up again? Uploads. Bam, bam. Demo.jsp. Okay, so drop that. Get that. That should return positive. Yes. Unknown action. Now, what in the hell did we upload for the payload file? Is a JSP actually. So it should be apples.jsp forward send to repeater get apples.jsp. Yes. Okay. Alright, so we figured out the flow. I'm
Also, an idiot.
because I was confusing this thing with file extension names. So here's our web shell. Here's our shell upload. And that was the test file. So the exploit ends up working. It painted as a GIF. It checks the file name extension, header, and content type, right? So you can't spoof that out. Where it fails is this parameter for some reason gets interpreted and isn't checked and overwrites it. Which is pretty cool. Let's see this explained. Technical deep dive. New file upload mechanism. Action file upload interceptor to replace legacy file upload interceptor. Simplifies file uploads by automatically storing uploaded files in a temporary location and passing the file data to the action class. Passing the file data to the action class. This allows developers to easily access and process the file without handling the mechanics directly. The developer simply need to configure an action mapping, create a form with the file input field, write an action class that accepts the file. When executed, the action class processes the file by either reading its content or moving to an upload folder for later access. Which is not accessible via the web server. The corresponding file. Oh, that's why we had to go up another directory because uploads is probably blocked by htaccess. The corresponding. This is not Fred. That's Fred. The corresponding file upload follows the following. Notice that the file form field's name is file. Corresponding action class or file name, file content type. The struts2 file upload process works as follows. So it should be saved in uploads user file txt. However, the suspicious path top.file name. Oh. So you can upload multiple files and then just rename it. File will be stored in user local Tomcat web apps root. Wow. Oh, so we had the upload working before. I was just being stupid about the action parameter. This attribute should be set by file name part. Attacker can override using the top file name HTTP parameters part of a mass assignment attack, where they can infer the attribute's name in the action class. Subsequently, when the action is executed, the temporary upload file is copied to a location provided by the attacker. Jesus, that's intense. So how does the top part of the added parameter affects the file upload flow? We're unable to find any reference to such a keyword. However, we do find string references in the source code and a comment hinting that top is a special keyword in OGML. Holy shit. Undocumented keyword. To summarize, the following illustration demonstrates how action attributes are set. Parameters map is populated by the non-file parameters. The file upload interceptor adds the file upload related parameters. Parameter interceptor sets action attributes. Jesus, that's crazy. That's some serious research. So by calling this overrides the upload file name on the top of the stack, which would be this, which is unsanitized. Clearly. The value stack. Between the action, the view, and other components. Okay. Holy shit. That'll be definitely worth looking into later.
Yasuka. Yasuka.
That's absolutely incredible. Of what the action class should look like. Public class, upload action, extends action support. And then it's an upload. So it's a hidden internal developer function that was undocumented and discovered would overwrite the top of the parameter stack. And saying top upload file name. It's saying top upload file name. That's fucking crazy. Let's do that. ls. Alright. Let's keep going with this. We're in varlib tomcat 9. ls %20. Config. So let's do ls %20 conf. Okay, so let's just do cat conf. Boom. All. What if we URL encode, convert selection, URL encode all characters? Okay. I guess not. What if we do this? Cat conf like that. Nope. Okay, well, what were the other ones that we saw in there? Catalina contacts, Tomcat users. Ooh, well, we do have, let's do that. Because we saw in the Docker file that we downloaded, they had Tomcat creds in here. There's no admin GUI available for us though, so that's not gonna help. But what if they have something? This is so nuts. Great bone. Admin. Is that the same one as ours? No. Tomcat, roll 1, Tomcat. Password must be changed. So, would it be this guy? Admin? What if we do SSH admin at shredded.htb? No. Clanker's so funny. I love that. Conf is pointed to Etsy Tomcat 9. What is our current directory? Aren't we there? Oh, varlib Tomcat 9. Okay, so let's do ls%20. Etsy Tomcat 9. What is this? Would that be the same one? Tomcat tech users .xml. Yeah, same one. Tomcat. Admin, that's the same one. Alright, what was the other files? We have server.xml. Web.xml. Password? User? No. We're in varlib, right? Work. Web apps. Sent 20 web apps.
Ooh, that's all our files.
Logs. Let's say cat logs. Logs. No. What are we looking for here? Let's see. Oh. Let's see, host. We can check for password reuse. Or, Jesus, Etsy password. James, Tomcat, user, no home directory. James has a home directory. Network admin. Ooh, okay, let's do this then. Where was that admin password? Password reuse, please, maybe. No, not it. That is the wrong one. Oh, no, it's not. Jesus. All right. Hello. Whoop-ow. There we go. And then what are we thinking? How do we feel on that one? I'll say not too easy. That was kind of frustrating. Now sudo tackle. All no password TCP dump. Sudo TCP dump. Shared binary GTF opens. Beautiful. Can we do this? The binary is allowed to run as super user. Oh, command ID. What? What? Sets the command as ID, TF, echo ID. What if we do print working or ls? Oh. Well, that not work. ls tech latrh. TCP dump pervesc. Oh, interface. No such device. So what if we do IPA? What if we do etho? What if we do root.txt? Permission denied. Create a file, temp elevate, touch elevate. Oh, we're James. Where's his password? So if we do this, we do cd, let's do nano a.sh, chmod plus x a.sh. Oh, does that go to temp elevate? That's what I think it's doing. Nano temp elevate. Ah. chmod plus x temp elevate. Sudo tcp dump link use interface etho. Hardwired. W is probably output to dev null. Whatever W1, G1. Text Z. Temp elevate. And then tag big Z. Oh, what? How did that work? Whoa. It just add us to the suitors file. Okay. Let's do TCP dump and see what the heck that Z flag is. Z as the user, Z post rotate command. Oh, so run that after. Oh, that's so easy. Tag W. Tag big W. File count 1. Tag G, number of seconds, 1 second. Once you're done, run that file that puts you into etc sudoers with no password for everything. and then run it as the root user, because I mean I don't even know if you have to do taxi root because you're already running as sudo, right? Well, we got it. Two Linux local Pervesh back to back. That one was easy. I was just being a brick. I definitely could have been better about following this one. TCP dump. GG. Post rotate command is great. That's almost like NeoVim. Like sudo NeoVim is literally, or like it, because it opens up less unless there's a terminal in it. So it's opening up a root shell if you can run like NeoVim or less or head or a lot of the editors have command lines built into them. So any editor with sudo privileges almost always a Pervesk. But the fact that they just say, hey, we'll run a command for you after, we love it. Absolutely love it. GG's. I definitely took way longer than I should have. I was moving way too fast and marking war files as JSPs and vice versa, so that was on me. That is my bad.
You kicked me 2 more times. You think I'm fucking strong?
What's good?
Tree just followed.
Yeah.
Yo, welcome in. Yo, Brad. The Facebook hacking walkthrough.
Yes. Yes, you're just in time. Alright. I want to see how many I've done now. Is there a way to see how many boxes you've completed without doxing myself? Let me see. Well, we're still script kidding because we can only do retired boxes. We got 63 user owns, 49 completed boxes. Alright, we'll take that. We'll get that number up. Oh, yeah, we were talking about that, Brad, the TTS, how to set it up. Because I'm using, I'm sure you probably do too, the OBS. And I have, ooh, God, that's trippy. This restream chat, but I don't know if I can hook, I think I can hook TTS up to restream chat, actually. Let me... No. I could probably, it's for you. Security live maintains it. I'll dig up the link. Oh, sweet. Okay, awesome. Appreciate it, Brad. Thank you. Alright, let's fire up another one. Yeah, close that. Let's do an insane box. Let's learn some stuff. This only has 55 user owns. It's just me. Machine info. Ooh. That's going to give too much away. Let's read the reviews. Going from user getting in was difficult. Great box exploit. Interesting and different. Apache vulnerabilities. For the Pervast, there are multiple approaches. Oh, what? VIP Plus to play it. Oh, I just ended my subscription. Hold on. Let me buy VIP Plus. Oh, I have VIP. I don't have VIP Plus. What is the difference? You can only play insane boxes with VIP Plus? Is there another one we could do? Oh, we could, okay. So it was just 0 that you have to be a VIP Plus. All right. Let's rip an insane box. We'll start this today. We don't know what we're going to need yet, so let's just keep burp up. Close all these out. Close current tab, close current tab, close current tab. We'll just quit Firefox. And Exegol. Beautiful, as always. Which we have in Hyperland. For this, because there's 2 configs that we're using for Hyperland. There's one home lab. And then there's one for, I call it PWN, PWN, and it's for CTFs, whatever else. This is similar to the, to what I use on engagements. It just has a lot of stuff here at the bottom. 80 MindMap, living off the lands for Windows Pervast, GTF opens, art, which is cool. That's really great for Active Directory takedown. And then hack tricks, which I got beautifully now, where you type S, you just type. Look at that. And we're right there. Control F it. We're already there. The script for that's great. Where it just automatically, you click S and you can just start searching for exploits. Alright, OS Tech LA TRH, let's do RM Tech RF CVE star. Alright, now we're clear. So let's do make directory, magic, gardens. Actually, I hate how long that is. Make directory MG. Is MG a command? Whoa. You don't even have to type in, really? That's a thing? You don't even have to do CD anymore? Wow. Alright, I wonder what that is. That's ZSH or FCF?
Awesome. Thank you, Brad. The tears. Everybody's a capitalist these days.
Here we go. Channel. What am I on Twitch? Jack and the D? KiraSec. KiraSec, cool. Okay. Let's go. That is. Wow. Is it this easy?
Oh, I have to authorize it on Twitch. Authorize it on Twitch first. Okay. Here, let me authorize it real quick. Oh, that's so awesome. Thank you. This is huge.
MFA for Dashlane.
Enter the code
I
that
just sent to your phone number. Got it.
authorize. There we go.
The channel KiraSec. KiraSec.
Security Lib is a security guy. Doesn't store any data. There it go.
There we go. Shit is loud. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Great bot. We can change our voice. What are we feeling? Arabic? What's Arabic?
There are a lot of options.
Russian?
ZB says. Dick. Translated from Dutch. Wow.
From Dutch.
Theo says.
Lol.
ZB says. Colon D D D D D D D D D D D. Translated from German.
It's supposed to add an accent, right?
Theo says.
It has auto-translate. Hello, friend.
Translated from
Oh, that's cool. Okay. I'm trying to change the voice on here.
Brazilian Portuguese? They all sound kind of the same though. This one
ZB says. No. Theo says.
On the settings page. The little cog.
Affirmative. Oh, system voice.
System voice selection.
There we go.
Little lower.
It's crazy how much Jack knows, but at the same time when you put him in front of DC or Twitch he is lost.
We need a good one here. German. Hans.
Theo says. Olivia. Melts.
Alright.
That's great. I love that. Thank you for showing me that.
Cool. CB says.
Finally he will start reading chat out.
Yes. I still read it. You don't gotta shit on me. Cut me a break. Where's Hans at? There's Hans.
Coco on steroid says.
Greetings, Kira. It is I, John D. Doss, inventor of the DDoS. It has come to my attention that children are using my invention for malicious reasons. Please send me your address, Theo's phone number, credit card, and social security numbers so I can help you fix this problem.
Dude, this is... Oh my god.
CB says.
Colon D D D D.
Translated from Estonian.
How do I just turn this down a little bit?
KiraSec.
Actually, I'll just turn it down for
NP.
me.
555-867-5309.
Alright, I like that. Let's favorite that, and let's add that to the stream folder. Beautiful. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
CB says.
Owner must
CB
get
says-
for home defense, since that's what the founding fathers intended. 4 ruffians break into my house. What the devil? As I grab my powdered weighted Kentucky rifle, blow a golf ball sized hole through the first man, he's dead on the spot. Draw my pistol on the second man, miss him entirely because it's smooth bore and nails a neighbor's dog.
Alright. Alright, well let's start on Insane Box. We're doing Magic Gardens. Linux Insane. New folder.
The sound and extra shrapnel set off car alarms.
You tell me to add TTS, then you start storytelling.
D.
KiraSec. We've opened Pandora's box. We may need to meet at some point.
That's so funny. Alright. We'll call this initial. INITIAL. God, spelling is not my thing.
Says.
Father, you ain't completing this box with TDS on the loose.
We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Actually, we're gonna make this really easy and say export IP equals that. And then we're gonna do sudo mmap IP.
Challenge accepted.
Yeah, challenge accepted for sure. Say less. Tech min rate. We'll just do it. Yeah, that's fine. We're on a local network. We can still run. We'll go 3,000 though. And then we might be able to get ahead of the curb. Wait. Yeah, we need TMUX.
CB says.
He will lock in and ignore us. Last time he was listening 8 hours straight to Nickelback.
We still have it. We still have it as our background. Nothing's greater than showing a POC with Nickelback in the background.
Colon D D D D D D.
Translated from German. KiraSec. Die.
I'm looking at the TMUX things right now. I'm trying to switch window. This is gonna crack me up.
This is gonna be very interesting. Let's do SV, then let's tee this out to mmap. SSH, simple mail, HTTP, waste, UPnP, Magic Gardens. Jesus, what was I gonna do? Oh, open Firefox. Magic Gardens, HTTP. So let's do echo $IP space there. Pipe T tac A for append into Etsy host. And now, what? Yeah. Oh, because I turned off burp. That's why. Okay. Let's see what we're working with. Nginx. Docker registry. Service unrecognized despite returning data. 5,000. I don't think we're gonna get through this box today. I know where I'm at. I don't see that being a possibility. But we will get through this. Oh, it's an API. Okay. Do we have Waffleizer? Oh, no results. What is Docker registry endpoint? Docker registry. Port 5000. What are we looking at?
You can get 2 more times. You think I'm fucking
Appreciate you, QQ.
How's Carol's just followed?
Running an insecure registry for local development on a network. You can run a registry. What is a Docker registry? This is going to be a cool box because actually I'm planning on not doing this over in one session because when we've done other hard boxes on Hackbox, especially when we were doing like the Active Directory stuff, part of what I really enjoyed was getting stuck on something like SMB or MySQL or something like that, and then being able to just go off stream and like read about it, watch videos on it, figure it out, come back with a new set of ideas. Where some of these, like if you're doing like an easium or medium box, I get kind of impatient because a lot of the times it's not a new necessarily technique. But for stuff like this is big, just knowledge pools. And you know what the fuck I'm saying right now. But the point being is, I want to know what's going on and learn this stuff and not speedrun it. And I enjoy accepting taking my time. Because it's one thing to learn about it and watch a video on stream. It's another thing to actually ingest the information and...
Do you do HCB Academy modules?
No. No, I haven't. I have not. I still am planning on after the OSCP to do, CAPE. CAPE, is it called? The HCB Active Directory cert. I love Active Directory. It's so much fun. Impacket, NetExec, Bloodhound, like, it just works. It's wonderful. But I'm really, really looking forward to taking that cert, but I just can't get too excited for it yet because I still have to pass the OSCP. You can store a container.
I'm learning AD now. Baby steps, but looks fun.
Yeah, AD's great. If you're really serious about learning AD, get like a 1-month subscription to Pro Labs on Hack the Box and do Zephyr. It's, I think, 20 flags, and it's purely Active Directory related. It is only Active Directory, actually. It's awesome. I started that Pro Lab with zero knowledge on Active Directory, and you come out just a lot more aware. But also you do your own research, right? Like as I was saying before, you learn a lot and research a lot along the way.
Instantly triggered by them. Usually when there isn't packets mentioned in the work, I know I will have to work overtime. D.
KiraSec.
Yes, yeah, Zephyr is, it's so good. It's great. It's definitely beginner friendly. There's nothing that you can't figure out on your own. And Pro Labs are great too because you get to build a methodology while you do it because there's multiple machines. It's a network, so you start to build like a checklist of what to do and go back. And like if I were to look back on Zephyr when I was doing it, like I was definitely unorganized and I could have handled it a lot better. Probably using a better C2, which is really helpful, especially when you have a lot of different machines. You really probably don't. You actually don't need a C2. I don't think I used one on Zephyr. I ended up just using Chisel and Legolo manually, but a lot of people do use C2s on the Pro Labs, which is definitely helpful. Also, a lot of people will go back and redo the lab with different C2s and try different paths and stuff to kind of flesh out a methodology. But yeah, Zephyr is all around 10 out of 10 for Active Directory in Windows. Okay, what am I looking at? The image registry. An image registry is a centralized location for storing and sharing your container images. Docker Hub is a public registry. Oh, okay. So there's images some here. GitHub tool, browse Docker image registry. Is there a tool for that? Docker registry API. API 2. We need a token. Maybe not though. Private Docker registry API 2. Probably being ignorant by not looking at the site first. Okay. We need creds. Oh. Default credentials. No. No. Okay. We can also do this. So what's that? TXT.
IRL stream someday.
IRL stream. We could do that. It's gotta be me sitting at my desk or sitting on the couch or playing pickle. Actually, I do quite a bit of stuff now that I think about it. Winter Arc though is gonna be pretty dry. We're gonna be at the desk most of the time. This is IRL stream.
Cam without D.
Registration.
Oh. Good call. Do we need Burp Suite? We probably do. We'll keep it. Let's add a target though. Filter only in scope items, and then we'll do advanced scope. And we'll just say Magic Gardens. Yes. Okay, let's sign up. Username Alex. Which I will say test at test.com. I'm thinking maybe there's like an IDOR, right? To read another user's stuff to get credentials. Or this registers endpoints on there, which would also be nice. Alex. Oh, we can enumerate users. Okay. That's good. Can enumerate usernames from registration. Keep that in mind. Usernames, email from registration. Let's log in. Inspect. Storage. Is this a JWT? No, what is this? That's serialized. That is definitely serialized. Okay, so let's try this now. Test. No. Like immediately off rip, I'm thinking, maybe it's not checking signing. We figure out how this token's serialized. Enumerate usernames. Change the data JWT user value if it's not being checked to the user, and then we can force reset password. We'll see if that's possible. No. Okay. You can't even reset your password. Or forgot password. Oh, you need to know emails though. But if we recall, this does have SMTP. So we can enumerate that service. Okay. We up? Let's also do subdomain. This is why I love Exegol, because it has like a pre-created history. So if you type in a command like that, right? Now we're fuzzing. HTTP. Am I doing that right? Fuzzing for subdomains, it's the host header. Gosh, I haven't done that in a while. FF fuzz for subdomains. Oh, it's the host header, that's what it is. Subdomains. Yeah, okay. It is the host header. I was tripping. So we fuzz. Yes. Yeah. Right. Yes. We have the SCS word list there, so then we can do this, and let's just search subdomains. We'll do top 100,000. Okay, and then let's do filter size 169. And we'll go back to subdomains. What? Oh, whoops. Okay. Enumeration is the name of the game. Oh, I forgot. Tech S. We want that silent. All right, let's go back here. So we need to figure out credentials. And let's also do hack tricks. And let's do Docker registry. Pen testing Docker registry. To download an image from an on-premise registry, the following command is used.
Your whole terminal and what you do with choosing word lists. Window emulator thing looks fire. Do you have a video going through all of this?
It's Exegol. So I've had my own config file, so it's a little bit different than the defaults, but it's all set up within a couple hours. Let me find a link. It's a Docker image instead of using a VM. But Exegol is what I switched to probably like a year ago. Yeah, of course.
Webland.
For sure. Can't be bogarting out here. The easiest way to discover the service running is outside of the map. If you access that, nothing is returned in response to V2, then that is returned. If you access V2 catalog, authentication required. Brute force with Hydra. Did we find anything? No. Alright. We need creds. Oh, we got a web app. Let's do this. Let's do Control Shift 7 or Control 7. Oops. Wait, we have to do Control Shift 7, Control 1, Control Shift 7. And now we have another window. And we can still go back through our originals. Beautiful. Okay. All right. We need okay. Nothing hidden. This will be great once we get credentials. We don't have credentials though. SQL injection maybe. Feel like something maybe with this password resets. They took the time to set up SMTP for this box. I mean, let's just. Yeah. 2026. 1, 2, 3. Where's Burp Suite?
CB says.
Damn, try yours. It might work.
Why is it still that voice? I changed it to Hans.
Cleo says. It was Hans.
Oh, okay,
CB
cool.
says.
Hans, get the flamethrower.
Translated from German.
Alright, Hans is the new sidekick. What just happened? Oh. Subscribe. Please select one of these options. Jail. Whoa. Is that not doing anything? That's JavaScript then. Subscribe. CSR middleware token. Well, let's get organized. Might as well get comfy. Oh, god damn it! This is it's the community edition burp suite, so this is not gonna persist. That's fine. If we have anything interesting, we can paste it into get profile tab. Action. Also, I see. Description had not been completed. Let's
Okay. 2023, so it's... I don't think it's going to be that Next.js. Auth bypass. Alright. Action success. There's like an XSS.
Oh, where's my post request? CCC ESS. Maybe actions calling to a file, which is what I'm trying to traverse. Maybe it's not. Let's see if we can add to cart and get an IDOR here. Product. Nope. Cart's tied to session. So that's not going to return an IDOR. What if we do this? Can we bust this up? 6495, that's not doing anything. 6495, that's not doing anything. Oh. A or 1. No. Okay. SQL injection would be interesting. I have a feeling it's going to be that. Your order will be processed. Our manager will contact you to clarify the information. Oh, XSS?
KiraSec. Interesting.
Yeah, I've seen this before. This always trips me up, where it's like, oh, it was actually like a bot who's supposed to emulate like a person on it. I don't know. That's.
Did it create an ID or something?
Did not create an ID. Let's see, actually. Profile. Your order will be processed. Let's see if we can get like a reflected or stored XSS payload. Actually, it would just be if we do first, last, bam. Let's see if we remember how to do this. Bam, bam.
Wait, it's an API, right? I suck at those. Maybe a cookie?
Yeah, well, the cookie here is a. It looks like a PHP object. It's serialized too. Let's go deserialization. Let's take this, send to Java deserialization, manual testing. Not CSRF token, it would be session ID, set insertion points. Ooh.
CB says.
R.I.P. Dark.
Yeah, API is well. API is for the Docker registry is API. This is just a standard. This is just like the regular website, but this endpoint requires creds. I'm assuming the flow of it is going to be pop this, get this. Maybe within here, there's going to be hard-coded creds in one of the images, and then that's how we get onto the box. But we have to exploit something on here first. Deserialization would be RCE, so I'm doubting that. Let's see if we can write this payload. Image tag %20 source equals IPA Python 3 TACM. Source equals HTTP bam 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 a equals document dot cookie %20 image do we need to end it with image? No. I think that's a valid payload. I guess now we just wait to see if we get served anything. What is that? Nothing yet. What does that look like decoded? Image source. Yeah. That's stored XSS, right? Alright, well there's one idea. We'll let it sit on that. Contacts? About us don't exist. Contacts, events don't exist. Delivery and payment don't exist. Guarantee doesn't exist. Support doesn't exist. Server center, bonus promo, homepage exists. Okay, so all of these are teasers. We do have profile though. What happens when we click profile? let's do this. Let's send this to intruder. Let's add that. Let's send this to repeater. And so what I'm going to try is bit flipper. Hello, test. This is the one we want to intruder. So what bit flipper is going to do is it's going to see, because it's serialized, if maybe changing one of the characters can change a certain value in it. Maybe it'll be like an ID or like a user reference. But this comes in handy because when it's serialized, there's a chance that changing one of the bits within the string could potentially lead to session context change. We want it encoded still. Try that. So 8423 returns a valid account. If we see another 8423, we've flipped the bit per se correctly, and we'll be able to figure out what value actually serves as the user identifier. Spoiler, I don't think this is gonna work. They put a lot of time into this site though. There's also a chance that CSRF token's correlated. Tab is it's not going to be fruitful. Maybe. This is what we need. We need another user. We somehow are going to need another user's accounts, or passwords, or credentials. This upgrade button is really interesting. Cart's tied to session ID. What's going on when I click on these pages? What is going on in the background there? Oh, it's floating. That's why. Silly, we don't want that floating. Yeah, I don't know if BitFlipper's gonna solve our issues. Let's just... Ooh. Sort. That's another interesting parameter.
Remember that night at the Hippodrome Salute dance.
And that night at the Hippodrome.